Hey guys, Allie here back with another Mint Minute. Today we're going to meet another one of our favorite mints. Specifically, we're going to meet our friend Basil here. Basil species are all found in the genus Ocimum, which comes from the ancient Greek word okamon, meaning basil. You might know basil in many popular Italian dishes such as pizza, my favorite, but it's actually been used for over 5,000 years and originates in India. In fact, Tulsi, otherwise known as holy basil, is incredibly important and sacred in many Hindu traditions. In fact, many people will plant holy basil in their courtyards, around their house, or even outside of different temples. Spiritually, it's been used in many other cultures as well. Basil is often seen warding off evil spirits in Crete, as a symbol of mourning in Greece, in embalming and to assist the dead to the afterlife in ancient Egypt. It's been used for many medicinal purposes as well. Besides its pretty cool cultural significance, it has some awesome phytochemistry that makes it so useful in many different things and in so many different places. The mints are interesting to study because we can look at their chemical diversity and how it relates to their genetics. Every species has a unique combination of different secondary metabolites that can help defend the plant from herbivores or attract pollinators when they're flowering, like our friend here. So what's the deal with basil? Basil will typically have linalool, which gives a floral aroma, just like our lavender, and eucalyptol, which gives a slightly spiced aroma. Different species of basil will have different amounts of these compounds. Like our Florida native here has slightly higher amounts of eucalyptol, so it has a more mild basil flavor. Other species, and also other cultivars and hybrids, will have completely new compounds that give them a unique flavor or smell. Cinnamon basil will also have methyl cinnamate, giving a cinnamon smell, or lemon basil has citral in it, giving it a lemon smell. Basil is one of my favorite members of the mint family because I love to eat and I love that diversity. From pesto to Thai noodle dishes and pho, this plant is both versatile and quite delicious. This has been another Mint Minute, and I will see you again next time. Bye!